You may be young, you may be gray, but your courage lights our way. Every veteran, near or far, you're our nation's guiding star. For every veteran we sing today, your courage shows the way. From yesterday to now we say, we honor you on Veterans Day. Through years of service, pain and pride, you kept our freedom safe inside. Your sacrifice, your strength, your care, breathe liberty in every prayer. For every veteran we sing today, your courage shows the way. From yesterday to now we say, we honor you on Veterans Day. From fields of war to peaceful town, you built us up, you never downed. With humble hearts we stand and see, your bravery made history. We lift our voices, hearts so wide, with love and honor side by side. You fought for peace in every way. We thank you